Introducing Cyborg, Alex, Robot Spider-Man, Steve, Violent Guy, Robot Iron Man, Green Lantern, Ugly Dinosaur, Chained Guy, Thanos, and last but not least, the Ender Dragon. Okay, now it's time to pack up to go to holiday. Wait, am I holding a button thingy? Whatever it is. I don't know what it is. I think it's... Wait, look. Oh, it's a button! I'm gonna press it. When I snap my fingers, you would be gone. What the? Who is that? Oh no, I'm in Endgame. Get out of here before I snap. Oh no, I'm in the dinosaur land. Oh, where am I? I think I'm in Minecraft, even in the end. Whoa, that's a big dragon. I had to get out of here. Alex, do you think I just seen another Minecraft character behind us? No, Steve, I'm trying to fight this Ender Dragon. Yes, we fight it! Yay! Where am I? Am I in Joker's secret place? Oh my gosh. Is that Green Lantern and Cyborg? Oh my goodness. If they see me, they're gonna think I'm the newest bad guy in the movie. I had to get away, but take my mask as well because it falls off. Oh, I'm back home now, safely, with my suitcase. Wait, what's on my clock? Oh, shoot, I'm late for my airplane. Dang it. Seems like I'm not going on holiday. Anyways, if you enjoyed the movie, tell us in the comments. You can watch it on YouTube also, and also on Power Day 41 Extreme. Goodbye, and also subscribe and like.